In that room. What the
Hey
hell
guys, and I am back with another YouTube video, and today I am reviewing, you saw by the thumbnail already, Smile More Fidget Spinner. Yeah. Roman, I just got this in the mail today. I'm going to take this off. Okay. Can't be realistic. I got number 1,000, if you guys can see that. Come on, focus.
Where's the jug at? Drill's almost open. How much longer? 14 more seconds, guys. Rotate.
Okay, whatever. I got number 1,528. Kind of cool number, not that cool. I just like that it's in the 1,500s though. That's kind of cool. It spins. I like it a lot. I like how it spins. The caps are so cool, guys. Like, the caps have this weird smiley twirl thing on it. Let's see if you guys can see that.
Whoever has the drill. No, not that.
My phone.
I thought you had a saw. Yeah, I saw it. Can you not saw it anymore?
Okay, well, you get the fact, right? It has like
wait 140 seconds.
This smiley face with like twirls going around it. It's really cool.
Saw it.
It has Roman Atwood's signature, which I hope you guys can see that one.
That's what I thought it was, because I was pressing Q.
You guys can see that. It has Smile More. I'm going to do a table spin real quick to show you guys.